Hey everyone, it's Maggie, Just Enough Eyes. Today I'm coming back to YouTube. It has been quite a long time since I've filmed videos, since I've been really doing much makeup other than my own face on Instagram. Yeah, I just kind of felt like I needed to step away for a bit and just kind of focus on myself, take a break from kind of the beauty industry, as it can be kind of a lot sometimes. And I feel like I'm ready to get back into things. And I've decided to actually start my own freelance business, which is a really big deal for me. It's really exciting. I went with the name Just Enough Eyes Makeup Artistry, so I'm working on all the back end of getting that started. I'm feeling really excited. I got my insurance, I got everything set, so I'm really happy with that. And I'm slowly repurchasing products for my kit. And a great way to do that is going for the Sephora favorites sets. They're always a really good value. They're a great way to try new products, different textures. Also, when you're working on other clients, like for me, I can't go wrong because having like the bronzer in this kit, it's really warm on me. I used it just to try it out today. It's very warm, but for my kit, that's gonna be perfect for different skin tones. And it's a great way to sample products to then later on decide if you want to buy, repurchase or buy full-size products. So I'm going to take you through the Sephora Favorites Gleamy Dreamy kit. So this should be available right now on Sephora. I live in Canada, so this costs $63 Canadian. The value is $178. So whenever these pop up, I try to get one, either the give me some lip sets or a skincare set. You're getting so much value for your money, and it's a great way to try products. And this set actually came with, I think, 4 different full-size products, totally making it worth it. So the first product that really intrigued me in this kit is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. So I've been using the vanilla shade and I fell in love with this. My coworker actually got me onto it. It's amazing. It really reminds me of the Laneige lip sleeping masks, which I'm also addicted to. I've done reviews, I've done lip swatches on those. And this is a really similar, very creamy, hydrating formula. I like the applicator, how you have a spot to put your lips in the crevice there. That's what I have on right now on its own, no lip liner or anything. So this one does give you a subtle amount of pigment, whereas the vanilla shade that I have is completely sheer. So this will give you a subtle rosiness to your lips and a really nice universal shade. I like how in these sets they'll usually give you a color that should work with most skin tones, lip colors, so that you can definitely get great use out of the products. I love using these during the daytime. I love reapplying at night. Super creamy, really nice scents as well. It doesn't have any tingling or plumping effect to it, so it's a really nice calming, hydrating lip balm. So this alone is like $30 when you buy it full price, so you're already getting half your kit covered with that. The next product we'll talk about is this one from Anastasia. So this is the Brow Freeze. You get 2.5 grams of products, and it's the Brow Styling Wax. So this was not really a great product for me. I have really not great eyebrows, as you guys have seen. Like, I remove a lot of underneath of my brow to give myself a bit of a facelift per se, and I trim my eyebrows quite a bit down. They're a little bit like uneven and patchy, so I fill them in with a liner. Right now I'm using the MAC Spiked Eyebrow Styler. This was an interesting one for me. I'm really excited to have this in my kit because I know brow lamination, all that is quite the look. It's just I don't really have the brows to do that on myself. Very effective product. It definitely feels like a nice clear glue that really will stick your brows down to your face if that's what you're looking for. And I just used a mascara spoolie to try that one out. Next we have the Milk Makeup Full Size Matte Bronzer. So this is a baked stick. So it kind of looks like a twist up product, like a lipstick almost. And you can apply it straight to your face and then blend with your hands, with a brush, with a sponge. This one does say that it's matte. I don't detect any glitter or anything, but there's definitely a lot of moisture in the product. It blends out to being quite sheer and kind of dewy, but you can see how orange, like red that product is. So for myself, it doesn't really work, but for my kid, it's gonna be great for anyone who's more tanned, a warmer complexion. I do like the consistency, and it does reflect the light quite well and like adds moisture to the skin. So I think that one's gonna be great and good if you're going for that glowy look. All right, next, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So this is a mini product. Of the full size, you get 5 milliliters of product. I put this on underneath my moisturizer. I applied it like a serum, and it's like a really wet, hydrating product, and it definitely dries down to being sticky and tacky under the skin, or sitting on the skin. So I put that on under my foundation, and I feel like there's quite a bit more glowy dewiness to my skin. I also kept my foundation quite light. I let some of my natural freckles show, and I did draw on some faux freckles with the Freck XL, which you can also get off Sephora. So I added some freckles around my nose and my upper cheekbones. I've been really loving that, kind of more of a natural glowy look. The next one is from Rare Beauty. This is their Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. So I applied this after my foundation to set my makeup, and I think it did quite a good job. It did add more of a glowiness, more of a hydration to my skin. And yeah, I think it's all kind of adding to create quite a glowy, natural skin look. So a mascara that came in this kit is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara in the shade After Midnight. So this one's a really nice mini mascara. You get 3 grams of product, and it's a really nice, super spiky plastic brush which separates and coats your lashes really nicely. I did go in with false lashes, so this is not just the mascara speaking, but I really like that. It's nice having a mini size on the go as well. The next product is the Lawless Make Me Blush. It's a talc-free velvet blush in the shade Indian Summer. This is a really nice raspberry shade. It seems to have a little bit of a satin finish to it. I really like how it applied and blended to my skin. The other full-size lip product that comes in this kit is from Patrick Ta. It's the Major Volume Lip Plumper 2ccs. So you get 9 milliliters of product in this one, and you get a really nice doe foot applicator, nice and large, and it holds a lot of product on the inner part there. It smells delicious. I think like watermelon. And this is one of the most plumping glosses I've ever tried. So I can already feel it kicking in, and it definitely, it has that burning, tingly sensation. It doesn't really feel cooling like a buxom gloss. It goes more towards like heat and like pins and needles. I like it because I do like plumping lip glosses. Keep that in mind though if you have an aversion to plumping lip glosses. Alright, so that is my review on this kit of products. I am definitely really happy with everything. Really nice, great quality on everything, great value, a great kit. I purchased this online from Sephora and I'm really happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.